now.
And siguro nung departure ni Paul Lee as Bo Belga hits that three-pointer, si Bo nakakaramdam yan pag pinag-uusapan siya.
Yeah. I was talking to him. He lost weight. I think he's in good shape then.
Brondial.
He has that
They
shot.
leave him open. Rodney Brondial. And that was a quick 7-0 run, coach, from Alaska.
Yeah, that's why timeout by rain or shine, and of course wide
Pero
open.
hindi niya nakuha yung layup. Now it's Alaska. Banal will stop and pop for three. Money.
So back-to-back 3 points for Alaska, the MVP of the other tournament.
Banal gets on the board quickly, gives Alaska a 10-point lead. At 10-0 na rin yung run nila dito. Diaz who can
Yeah. Congratulations, probably.
At as Karakot hits a 3, sabihin ko po sa inyo mga kapatid na nanonood, abang-abang kayo mamaya. Baka makausap na makapag-air tayo ng live interview with our very first gold medalist. And balancing their scoring, Hamisi would like to join the party, and Mav does on that fall-away over Wong.
Great shot by Maverick. Under duress, hindi nagpanic.
First 2 points para kay Hamisi. Brondial carving out space and a hook shot for Rodney, who has been very active. 7 points already. 3 for 3 from the field. It's been a great game for Brondial. Tratter good seal, and it was too deep for anyone to stop him.
So, timeout by Reina Shan to stop the bleeding.
Bumalik na naman kasi sa 13. Yun lamang, look at this big-to-big, coach.
Good job trying to block out Abu Tratter.
Di Gregorio with that kick out. He knew just what to do with that pass. Immediate pull-up. And those two guys, Tratter and Di Gregorio, doing something very, very good for their Alaska Aces. Torres, nakarangan agad. Norwood, good cut, and finally, Gabe breaks the silence.
Yeah, but yung kanina kung nag-take off na siya agad dun, ano na yan, hindi na siya abutan.
Siguro nasa scouting din yun, no, coach?
Yeah.
Like, okay, this guy likes to a rare stop mula sa Rain or Shine. Can they convert? Ang ganda naman ang pasahan doon.
First back-to-back points by Rain or Shine.
Oo nga, that's right. You know, it's been a while since they were able to put together some possessions that ended up in basket. Conversion, kailangan niya yun. That's Corporal, knocks down the 3. Torres puts the ball on the floor. Athletic as they come. Coach Franz, pinapakita pa rin ni Norbert. Three Alaska Aces down on the floor. Wong will finish for the deuce.
Guys.
Oh, what a move for Taha. A little shimmy. And he was free by the baseline. Under 5 minutes to go dito, and it's a 23-point lead.
You really want to get that rebound.
And even Teng, you know, you talked about yung jump shot niya na sabi mo maganda sana mas ma-improve. We're seeing Marcelino. Oh, he hits that over Rivero. May foul pa yan.
Who is this Marcelino?
JC. This is JC.
Magkamukha eh.
Oo na nga.